Hello, this is iMobi. If you want to download and update apps from AnyTrans, this video will help you operate better. First, open AnyTrans and connect the device. Select the app downloader function. You need to enter your iCloud account here. Select the country and region. Then enter the app you want to download, for example, download TikTok, and click search. There are many apps here. Select the one you want to download. You can check the download progress from the app library. In this interface, we can add app from computer to app library. Transfer app from app library to computer. Install apps to iOS device. Refresh the display on app library screen, and more. Then, select TikTok and click Install. After the download is successful, check whether the download is successful on the device.